Why welder flash harms your eyes? There are actually 3 reasons for this. The visible light actually has the most innocent effect. You experience temporary blindness in the focal point of your eyes. You can also squint during welding to reduce the effect to some extent. But the main problem is in the types of light that the eye can't see. Ultraviolet light is a type of invisible light that burns your skin when you are under the sun for a long time. And it is also hidden in the welder's arc. Ultraviolet rays, which can cause severe burns on the skin, are powerful enough to cause much greater damage to your eyes. There are also infrared lights, which is another type of invisible light inside the welder's flash. Of course, welders complain that they cannot focus to the right point when they use dark welding glasses. There is an inappropriate and dangerous way to solve this, using transparent safety glasses or regular prescription glasses. While these glasses transmit most of the visible light, they block some of the invisible rays. In this way, although your eyes are still in great danger, transparent glasses are a much better solution than using nothing. But you should never give up real welding glasses even for a short time. Otherwise, this is how you will end up.